Hi, I am Alan Rupert with Roland, and today I'm going to talk to you about the XS-42H. This is a new product for Roland. It's a matrix switcher. We have a 4-input HDMI matrix switcher with 2 HDMI outputs. They are scalable as well as able to have different outputs for the HDMI outputs going to 2 different monitors. So really it's designed for, let's say, like a huddle room, where you can actually have 4 HDMI inputs coming in from laptops, let's say. So for output 1, here's going to be what's going out to the first monitor. So you would just be able to select these very easily and would be able to switch right between. And then on output 2, you'd be able to select there. So this is going to be monitor 1 and monitor 2, and you'll be able to switch between all those different inputs. And since you have 2 discrete outputs through HDMI, you can actually have one that would be, let's say, like a PowerPoint, and the other one being a live video image. You also have the capability of having a still image in there, so that when everybody unplugs all of their laptops, it'll actually default to that still image, which could be, let's say, the logo of your school or your corporation. So that would be the capabilities of this device, which is the XS-42H.